going on, guys? Today's video we're going to take a look at the new scroll effects on Adobe SD, and we will also design a dark theme version of the Instagram app to showcase our images using the carousel effect. So let's go ahead and dive right into this tutorial. As always, open your Adobe SD. I have already selected the iPhone adverts. This will be my starting point, and we're going to start from scratch. First, we need to set our guide for this project. Simply drag this out from the left hand side and set them to 10 points from the left and the right side of the advert, and also set the top to 15 points. Once we've set our guide, the next thing to do is to design the wireframe, and I'm going to show you how to design a wireframe. So right now I will grab the square button and drag it here to set the placeholder for the app logo. I would then duplicate this to the extreme, resize this as placeholder for the DM, that is direct message. Now I'll repeat this process for the username, user option button, and user profile. Let's draw a placeholder for the image view. As well as all the buttons and content holder below it, just like the way you find it on the Instagram app. So once all this is done, you just need to select the whole placeholder and duplicate it, align it somewhere below. So now that we have our wireframe, I just need to press Ctrl D in Windows or Command D in Mac to duplicate this advert, and I'll rename it to home screen. Okay, now let's start building our high fidelity design. So the first thing I would like to do is to add my app icon and logo. I will do this using the icon for design plugin to import a camera icon. Then resize it to fit this placeholder. I will just go ahead and extend this rectangle to the extreme, since we will need it for our design as the top bar. Now look for Instagram logo online and import it into your project. I already have mine, so I'll just import mine, and I will resize it to fit alongside with the icon, with the Instagram icon or the camera icon. Once that is done, grab the Eclipse tool and draw a 3x3 cycle. Now duplicate it and align it properly, and we are done with this menu option. The next thing on our agenda is to design the profile image. To do this, let's use the user profile plugin to generate an image. Once that is generated, I will just type a random username and resize it and change the color to white. I will just go ahead and grab the square tool to draw a dark background, since this app would be a dark theme. Then I will send it to the back and get rid of placeholders. Okay, now I would like to change this profile image to something more catchy, something more pronounced. This okay? Now we just need to replace this placeholder with the menu option we previously designed, then import a DM icon, and I'll resize it and drag it. I'll have to lock this background so it doesn't move around. Okay, so now we drag it to the top and resize it a bit smaller. The next thing to do is to replace all the placeholder below this image placeholder with the same icon found on Instagram, and we're gonna resize those icons to 20 by 20. You can again Google online to find all this icon, but I may just share this with you so you can use it for your reference. So once all these icons are all set, I will delete the placeholder behind it. For this image slider status, let's change the color to white and reduce the size a bit. Once that is done, let's import the bookmark icon and resize it as well and align it properly. Okay, so we are making progress. Next is to show the like count, the username, and the user post description. And I will use the text tool to do that. For the description, I will have to import a random text, then I will change the font size, the font style, and the font color. Okay, this looks perfect. Now we come to the main part of this tutorial. Google online for any background images you may like and import it into your project. Once that is done, I will use the placeholder to mask this background images. So the reason for this is so that I have an accurate size for all the images and scroll view. Then I will duplicate this image by dragging it outside the artboard, but making sure I have an accurate spacing. I will unmask this duplicated image, then delete the previous background image and replace it with this new one. Then I'll mask it again. Now I will repeat the same process for the remaining images, but also remember to keep in mind that your spacing should be the same across all images. Now once that is done, we just need to apply the scroll effect by selecting all these images and click on this horizontal scroll group. Once you click on the scroll group, you can see all the images are now grouped into one place. Alright then, let's select all this design and duplicate it, then drag it a bit downward to create a new post. Now we just have to change the username, change the profile image, and also change the post images. Once you're done, we just need to apply the scroll effect to this new post. Now we need to create our navigation button. I already have my resources, so I'll just copy and paste it. I'll resize it, align them properly. Then lastly, I'll create the user's profile button. It seems like these buttons are too big, so I will resize it a bit smaller, and this look perfect. But I would like to change this user profile image to something more lighter because we are using a dark background. I would rather use this other plugin so that I can select the image I want. This look better. I'll apply it now. And here we go. We just designed the Instagram homepage with a scrolling effects. Congratulations. I hope this video was insightful and I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, please like my video and help me share this video to your friends and family who you think might find this educative. As always, if you're new here, why not subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that I will keep you updated on latest content. For now, thank you for watching and do have a great day. Cheers.